Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, subscribe to my channel, turn on my post notifications. Today, I'm bleaching my hair because it looks like these are my roots. And my hair was bright orange. If you haven't seen that video, go watch that. Basically, I've been putting a bunch of oil and stuff in it, trying to fade the color because my hair just wasn't as light as I would have liked it to be for me to, I achieved a great, beautiful color, but it wasn't the exact color that I was hoping for. So today I'm gonna be bleaching my roots and bleach bathing the rest of my hair. If I mess up, I'm gonna dye the whole thing black. So let's do this. I'm gonna leave this in for another maybe 15-20 minutes. We'll see what the frick happens. I think I'm gonna shower with this hair tie on so it cleans. I don't know, is that dumb? So yeah, as you can see, very strawberry blonde, roots are very light. So yeah, that needs to be rebleached. And I'm just going to bleach bath the ends so they're the same tone as this top part. I really feel like I'm reacting to a video right now. I look like a freaking clown. I look ridiculous. Scalp burns. No, I'm just kidding. It doesn't actually burn. I really feel like I'm in one of Brad Mondo's. I really feel like I'm in one of Brad Mondo's. Bro, why do I keep saying it? Brad Mondo. Why do I keep saying that? I'm not worried. I'm not even worried. At all. So, alright, for real, I'll see you guys later because I'm just wasting time. Who lets me do this? Who lets me do this? Every time I dye my hair, my whole family talks shit about me, but it's fine because I don't give a frick. Alright, bye, for real. It has been one night. I slept with a bunch of oil in. Brad Mondo says that really doesn't do anything, but it makes me feel better about it. So, wish me luck because I'm scared. Okay, so this is how my hair turned out. Yeah, it looked like a freaking banana. Does it look better than it did before? Yes. Does it look freaking perfect? Definitely not. Is it uneven as frick? Also, yes. Okay, yes, it is uneven as frick. Leave me alone. Give this video a thumbs up if you were at least entertained. And give this video a thumbs up if you're glad that this wasn't you. Follow me on Instagram at blinkbaby, BLINKEBBY. Check out my website at www.blinkcreative.com for art, clothing. Just check it out. I'm not even gonna tell you what it is, just check it out. I'm gonna be posting a video after this one where I did my makeup like this. Go watch that after this video. You might have to wait a day or so, or like later, like it'll be up. But yeah, hopefully I'm not gonna have to wear this much longer because I look like an idiot. Thank y'all for watching. Thumbs up, comment, subscribe. Love you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.